Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy, the host of Chewy, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're just going to talk about a couple of different things. But before we get started, make sure you guys like and then subscribe. And then also, if you have any questions, comment them in the comment section down below. And then also, if there we go. Live. Oh shoot. And then if you guys haven't subscribed already, make sure you guys subscribe. Obviously, like the video, like I said before. And then I have an affiliate link for Webull and then Robinhood. So if you haven't started investing, make sure you guys get these two accounts because they'll give you like 5 free stocks in total. And then also, if you want to apply for the Chase Freedom credit card, here's my referral link. And then if you want to use M1 Finance, here's the link, and you'll get $10, and then I'll get $10 for if you use that link. But all right, let's hide this. Take that out. And then let me get out of this. And then, but let me show you guys how the accounts are doing today. So for the 1 day, we're up $5,000 or 2.8%. But let me refresh this because sometimes Robinhood likes to be a little bit dumb. All right, around 5K we're up. For the 1 week, up $524. And yesterday we had a big red day. Like I was down 7K. And then we did gain some of it back. Now we're at, like I said, 178K and $300. For the past month, we're up 12K. For the past 3 months, we're up 17.2K. Year to date, we're up 17.4K. For the 1 year, we're up 15.6K. And then all time, we're up 9.5K. And then right here is exactly when I started selling options and doing credit spreads. So we're going to be just taking a look at the 1 day for today. But I think it was yesterday that I sold a lot of these stocks, but that was honestly the wrong move. So I bought all of these stocks back, bought 100 extra shares of Enphase and then 200 extra shares of Palantir. And then here are the credit spreads that I'm doing as of right now. So I have this NVIDIA call credit spread at at 455. So as long as it stays under 455, I'll be all good. But so far, this one's going against me. And then I have this QQQ put credit spread, SPY put credit spread, and then Tesla call credit spread, and then I have a put credit spread with QQQ as well. But then I'm also selling puts on Coinbase and Mara, and then everything else I'm selling calls on. But yeah, here's the whole portfolio. I have 1,000 shares of Palantir as of right now. PayPal, I have 300 shares. Target, 300 shares, and then Enphase, 200 shares. And then for today, everything is up a ton, to be honest with you guys. So hopefully everyone's been having a very green day in the markets. And then I'll show you guys the Webull account really quick. Webull. And then this is where I've been transferring some of my money from Robinhood to Webull, because this is going to be mainly what's it called? Mainly just dividend stocks. So in that way, this is my less risky account. But yeah, here's this. This one isn't that exciting. There isn't much happening with this. Yo, what's up, Rodriguez? Up $150 or $250. Damn, you're doing good, dude. Let's go. What's up, dude? Good to see you. SPY at 7/14 expiration date. Yeah, dude. This one. This one's up a little bit. It still has 10 more cents for it to like DK. But yeah, dude. You have to look at volume when you day trade. To be honest with you, dude, I just today the market gave me 2 very good opportunities. So I did a bunch of put credit spreads on QQQ and SPY. I was like, and then thankfully, like they went up a ton. Let me see. SPY. Like I bought, not that. I bought the put credit spreads like down here, and then thankfully I did. I was like, I didn't know why, but I had a good feeling that the market was gonna go up. I actually saw like a little bit of a trend right here, but yeah. And then same thing with the QQQ. I'm like, if the SPY is going up, so is the QQQ. So I bought, I think it was 100 and 100 of each, or maybe it was 1550 of each. But yeah, dude, I did very good with the put credit spreads. But I closed them out because I was like, what if it like goes back down? So I'd rather like take my profits. But yeah, and then that's obviously where this big drop came from too. I was at 176 and then it went down like crazy. I was like, oh shoot. I was actually kind of scared right here to be 1000% with you guys. I go out of my SPY call early and it ran up. Could have been up $14, but instead of, hey dude, profit is profit. Like my coach always tells me, like nobody ever went broke taking profits. So like obviously you didn't make as much money, but at least you made that $300. Yeah, but 2+ days of today, the volume will lower unless you're swinging. Oh, all right, I got you, dude. Yeah, dude, I do need to do better like with the technical analysis, but yeah. Let me exit this. But let me know how was your guys' trading today. And then if you're on TikTok, guys, come on over to YouTube. I gotta like I gotta end the stream soon because my phone is about to die. My phone's at 6%, and I don't have no chargers around here. But come on over to YouTube, and you guys can see exactly what I'm holding on to. And yeah, it's also put LOL at 432. Yeah, the put credit spread is at 432. So I have like $9 for it to like come down. All right, that. And then I was thinking about this one. I'm already 50% up on, so I was thinking about actually rolling this one again, just so I can get a little bit more premium. I wonder how much they would pay me to roll it out. What is it at 73? Dang, they would give me an extra $100 to roll this option. This is actually very tempting, but maybe I'll probably keep this until like Wednesday or Thursday and then roll it out again because I don't know what the market's gonna do. So I might have to like roll my strike price down or up a little bit, but I'll probably wait for this one. End phase went up a ton today. Like I said before, thankfully I did buy back into this one. End phase, but I still have 7 days until this one expires, and it is down $174, but that's all good as of right now because I can actually roll this for a lot more. Hopefully I can anyways. 170. So if I wanted to roll it out to 172.5, I can get $156 of credit, which would honestly be amazing. But their earnings are coming up. I don't remember when. End phase. Our end phase earnings. So theirs is at the 25th, which is not that far out. So I'll probably have to either close it early or I'm gonna have to like put a very high strike price so then this expires worthless. But yeah, I'm not trying to criticize. No, dude. Honestly, it's better if you do criticize me so then I can get better, dude. But no, dude, I understand. I mean, that's good. You've been making profits, but small stuff like that can be a gamble. I agree with you, dude. Liquidity is a huge thing too. All right, dude. Gotcha. No, thank you, dude. To be honest with you, like I said before, I take all criticism as long as it's like constructive. If that makes sense. But also, guys, if you're on TikTok, come on over to YouTube. I have to hop off the live on here because my phone's about to die and my charger's all the way over there. And then I'm live on YouTube. But come on over to YouTube. It's the same thing as the TikTok. It's Adi Hosachui scam. Maybe. I'm just kidding. I'm not here to sell you guys anything. But come on over to YouTube. I'll see you guys later. And then remember, follow me on here. Follow me on Instagram, and then also if you have Threads as well, follow me on Threads because I usually post when I'm gonna like go live on TikTok and YouTube. But coming over to YouTube and yeah, I'll give you guys a second to do that. Like I said before, follow me on here, and then if you have any comments, comment them in the comment section down below. But all right, guys, I'll see you guys later. What happened to your account, dude? Yesterday was a huge red day. Like I lost 7K. I didn't make I think it was 5K back, but I'm still down like 2 or 3K. But like I said, come on over to YouTube, guys, because my phone's about to die and I got to charge it. I'll give you guys a second to do that. But all right, guys, like I said, see you guys later. Thank you guys so much. And hopefully your stocks are up today. But all right, guys, peace out. Thank you. Alrighty, guys. So let's see. I have to show you guys. I always forget to show you guys this, but here's how the SPY is doing. So SPY is up 0.44 today. I am up 3% today, but for the week, I'm up 0.31%, and then SPY is up 0.72. So in the 1 week, it's beating me, but for the 1 month, SPY is up 3.5%, then I'm up. Sorry, 1 month. I'm up 7.2%. 3 months, I'm up 10.7%, and then S&P 500 is up 8.5%. And then for the 1 year, SPY is up 14%, 14.6%, and then I'm up 9.5%. So within the 3 months and like shorter, I'm beating the S&P 500. But obviously, I haven't been selling options or doing credit spreads for that long. It's only been, we'll just say, May 1st to like, that's when I started selling options and doing credit spreads. But it was like somewhere around here, but just to make it easier, that's when I started. So I had 161K and $100. And now we're at 178K and $300. But yeah, thankfully we're beating that. Let me know. Do you guys have any more questions or anything else you guys want me to answer? Because I told you guys all of these stocks, and then here are some of the credit spreads that I have. I'm selling puts on Mara and then Coinbase. My main thing right now is I have to roll these options, and then I have to be careful with this end phase one. So then, just in case, what's it called? Just in case, like end phase goes up a little bit, I have to give myself a little bit of a cushion. So probably when I roll this, I'm gonna have to do this one just to be like for sure. I'm gonna have to pay a debit, but to be honest, that's all good. I'm gonna lose $20, but it's not gonna be the end of the world. Was not your was your account at 25K? 250K? Yeah. No, dude. Oh, actually, yeah, it was at one point, but I took out money from this account and put it into different accounts. Because, like, for me, one of my big things is being like diversified. So I really want to make sure, just in case this isn't making me money, I can either have like the S&P 500 or I have dividend stocks as well. But those are like smaller portfolios, obviously. Damn, you save shit ton of money. I started my journey with 1K. Yeah, dude. Like I was investing in the past as well, but it was like I did an M1 finance, and then I have my Chase account as well, and that's where I was basically putting all of my money into. And then there were some times where I put some money in here, but like thankfully I actually took the money out because I probably would have lost a lot more. But yeah, I'm back on selling options and doing credit spreads. But in the past I didn't know how to like do all that, but yeah, I was selling options at one point, but like I said before, I stopped doing that because I was like I lost the money, so I was like, shoot. But thankfully, I have a coach now, and he's able to like guide me with everything. Whenever I do have a problem, he's like, "Have you ever thought about doing this or that?" But yeah, And then obviously these covered call ones, they're down because all of the stocks are up. And then these call credit spreads are not doing that well either. Could have swore I did one on Tesla as well. Oh yeah, it's right here. Another Tesla call credit spread. So with Tesla, it has to stay under $300, and then I make that money. But yeah, dang, 250K. To be honest, I would literally invest that money into ETF, dividends, passive income. They're good stocks that can go up. Yeah, dude. But for me, I don't know why I like for me, the stock market is like, even though it sounds boring, this is what I like to do. Like instead of going to like a job or like doing Amazon FBA or doing anything else, this is like personally what I like to do. But yeah, but I do have like obviously other accounts as well. But those are like way more passive than this one. This is like the one that if I don't make money with, then I don't get to eat. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, you know what I mean. Um, but all right, guys. Anything else that you guys have any questions on? And then I have been looking at futures as well because I've had some people like whenever I go TikTok live, they have been asking, or some people have been like, have you thought about like doing futures or anything like that? And I have been looking more and more into it, but I still have to like download the apps for doing futures. I have a Discord stock group that helps me with calls. To be honest, yeah, dude. Like to be honest with you, I think we all need coaches. Well, personally, especially for me, like whenever I don't have a coach, like that's when um, I don't do as well. Like I said before, that's when Amazon FBA took off. That's when my social media took off, and that's when me making money with my portfolio started taking off. But yeah, guys, any more questions, comments, or anything? Um, I agree. Everyone needs a coach. Yeah, dude, for sure. It just makes life easier because somebody has already been like doing the exact same thing that you're wanting to do. And then there was this one time that I actually wanted to quit doing credit spreads and selling calls and puts because I think it was this day right here. I was like, I don't want to do this no more because I lost like 2K or 2 to 3K during. It was actually just one day. I was like, shoot, I don't know if I can do this anymore. But the obviously the coach that I had was like, no, it's all right. Like you're gonna have down days like this, and because like obviously like whenever the green days like um there's gonna be a bunch of green days, but you have to be ready for like those couple of red days. Um, and he just like helped me through it. So I definitely agree with you, dude. Everyone does need a coach. Um, but let's before we go, we're just gonna check to see that how the S&P 500 did today. So it's up 3.3%, and I'm up 2.8%. I'm up 0.31%. Not that good, but S&P 500 is up 0.66. For the 1 month, S&P 500 is up 3.5%, and then I'm up 7.2%. So that's like double. Put in the 3 months, I'm up 10.5% basically, and then um, the S&P 500 is up 8.5%. So I'm still beating the S&P 500 for the short amount of time that I've been doing spreads. How do you start on Webull? Like, well, how do you start on Webull? What do you mean by that? Like, how do you get the app, or like just in general? Because like, obviously, Webull is honestly extremely hard to like understand, dude. Because uh, like even when I opened my account and looked at some like YouTube videos, I was like, what the frick? Um, uh, like it's I mainly do it through the phone, but you can just type in. Let's say you wanted to buy Marathon Digital. You click on the name, and then you can buy like 100 shares or however many shares that you want to. Oh shoot, is this their options chain? Yeah, dude, Webull is like extremely hard to like understand. Because I mainly just do it through the phone, but then obviously you can't see what I'm doing on the phone. Um, but hey, you are doing good, dude. The sky is the limit. That's exactly why I was like, I don't want to do Amazon FBA, and I don't want to do like I still am doing social media a little bit, but like one of the great things about doing social media is that this has actually been helping me like stay accountable, because every single day I do try to go live. But just showing people this red day, like it really hurt. But obviously I had to like come back and do better. But I didn't know that the market was going to tank like 1% yesterday, like just during that time. But yeah, just in general, dude, Weeble is super hard. Honestly, I would just look up a YouTube video on how to do that, because like I said before, I only know how to do it through the phone. People in New York that does that for a living is multimillionaires and being low profile. Yeah, dude, that is very true. It's because like you can make so much money doing credit spreads and just selling options. It's like it's crazy. Like I'll give you like, so with just Coinbase doing a $73 put, um, well, cash secured put, got $360, and that's basically like 15K that I have in that. And then end phase, they gave me $308 for 2 contracts, so that's another $600 basically. Um, Marathon, this one I have 10 contracts, and they gave me $280, and I can just keep going on with this, dude. But PayPal, I have 3 contracts of these, and they gave me, is this right? $174 for the 3 contracts, and then $58 for each contract. But the big one is Target for me. Target, they gave me $114 for each contract, and I did 3 of them, so it's 114 times 3, whatever that is. But yeah, just selling options is like a very good way for you to like make a lot of money as well. But I do credit spreads because actually after yesterday I was like, do I really want to keep doing credit spreads? But I was like, I'm probably gonna keep doing credit spreads for like um probably 2 to 3 more weeks until I get back to $181,000. So that way I can at least get back to that base. Just because, like I said, if because it was like during the night when the SPY went down a lot. So like, I'll show you. Like it was at 4:40, basically 4:42 at 3 a.m. and then just like, and the market wasn't even open at 9 o'clock right here. So the market was closed all throughout right here, but then right here is where it opened at, and that's where obviously I lost a lot of money. But we're going back at it because all it takes is like one, I think it was like -2% day for me to like lose a bunch of my gains. So I was like, I don't know if I exactly want to do this, but also it's going to be very rare when a -2% day does come. I don't know why people criticize Robinhood. It's not even that bad. Use brokerages that you're comfortable with. Yeah, dude, that's personally why I use Robinhood the most. I use Webull a little bit, but like I said before, that one's like extremely complicated. And I don't know why they made it super complicated. They should have made it easy like Robinhood. But yeah, dude, I don't get why people hate on Robinhood either. For me, it's my favorite one out of all of them. Actually, I liked M1 Finance, but the thing that does suck is obviously you can do options. Everything that you do on there, like it's only shares, and then you can only trade at, I think it's at like 10 o'clock or 3 o'clock. So they only give you 2 different times for you to trade your stocks. Sorry, guys, 1 second. All right. But all right, guys. Any more questions, comments, or anything? So this is obviously where we're gonna end off at for the day. Hopefully, it stays extremely green like this. 178K and like $200 or 4.8K up as of today. But I'm glad that I at least didn't like stay in the green. I'm actually up $380 for the week. So as long as I didn't go negative, I guess that's a positive, I would say. Well, good luck to you, man. I gotta go. I hope your journey goes great. Thank you, dude. Same thing to you. But all right, guys, I'll see you guys later. If you guys have any more questions, comments, or anything, comment them in the comment section down below. But all right, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and peace out. Thank you, guys. And then also, don't forget to subscribe on here. And then also, follow me on Instagram, and then where else? And Threads. I've been liking Threads a lot. It's been my favorite platform as of right now. Like, I use Twitter, but Twitter is like so hard to like get like any following. But yeah, guys, follow me everywhere. It's the same thing as this, wherever it is. Ad equals to Chewy. But okay, guys, peace out and thank you, guys.